Hello, my name is Robin. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you really like the video and its content. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. And today I have a pink box delivery. This is such a fun subscription. I think it's about $35 a month plus some shipping, but it's a really fun box. And let's get into it. This is more like a what do you call it? Like a lifestyle box. It just has so many goodies in it. And they always let you know what's coming in the next box. So if you really don't like what's going to be in it, you can kind of skip a month. And on the outside of the packaging was I'm Red Wine Mask. And with this kind of hot, humid weather up here in Washington, these are always good to have. And then they send you a sheet with everything that's in there. And I'm not sure if they put the price in there or not, but it puts everything that's in there and what's coming up in the next box. But I just opened this box. And if you know me, and if you've been watching my channels, I do live in Washington, or Arizona most of the year, and I come up to Washington in the summertime in Arizona because it gets so hot. And my favorite thing that I collect are cactuses. And on the sheet in this box are cactuses. So happy with that. So underneath my cactus paper is something, a sticker. I love summer. Of course, I don't think any of us appreciate the 115-degree weather, but is this purple? And Sue from Reviews with Sue, I know you love purple, but you gotta back off till I see what's in it. This is by Home Textiles and comes in this beautiful thing. I'm not sure if it's a robe. I have to take it apart because we have to appreciate what is in this beautiful wrapping. Oh, is it a towel? Oh my God, this thing is just so soft. So this looks like a towel, and I'm telling you, this is soft. And this is the bath towel. Oh my God. This is, yeah. So Sue, I know it's purple, and I love you, but this is a keeper. And it comes in this beautiful thing. And the next thing looks kind of scary. Self-Care Tools by AOA Studio. So it looks like a little rake. And it comes in an enclosed thing. It doesn't really say what it is, but I don't know if it's like for your hair or for your body. So I gotta look this up. It would be great for like a head scratcher, because with being out in the dust and the dirt, sometimes, you know, gotta scratch your head. So the first thing was a luxurious, fast-drying spa bath and hand towel set beautifully packaged for you. Then we got the Tony Maloli Red Wine Face Mask. And then got to find out what the spiky thing is. Oh, it's a scalp massager and editor's choice piece of jewelry. So I'm thinking that's what this is. It's a scalp massager, but I'm not going to take it out of the packaging, but this is awesome, and it doesn't look like it'll be hard on your head, but that is cute. I'm telling you guys, you got to get this box. And there's the note on here how great this box is, like for summer. And then this is heavy. I don't know what's in it. Oh, hair and scalp treatment mask. So maybe you can take that in the shower with you and put this on your hair and then scrub away. Awesomeness. And this is super heavy, whatever it is. I was hoping it was edible, but it's not. It is Hawaiian Luffa soap. So Noelle from Hi Noelle would probably love this. I don't know if she gets this box, but she would love this. It smells so good. I think it smells like lemons. So this is awesome. I'm just so intrigued with this box, so I'm not paying attention to you. Sorry. So that must be the Luffa soap, and from the Maui Soap Company. I have to figure everything out because there's so much in the box. Oh, another red wine mask. So maybe they don't want you to mask alone, so there's two. So somebody's got to come to Washington and red wine with me. And then this must be the piece of jewelry. It's pink and white. I have like the skinniest wrist, so really bracelets don't look good. So this might go into a giveaway. And oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. And this is wrapped so nice. And the packaging, I mean, is awesome. And let me tell you something about this box. It comes quick. So if you order it, it comes quick. And this says blessed on it. I don't know if it's a candle. This is the top. I think it's just a decoration. I don't think it opens. It might just look like that, and it's got stickers that I'll have to take off. So let me find out what this is. This is a succulent plant to create a spa-like atmosphere. So I guess you just leave it. I don't want to break it. So it's just a plant looking. Oh, maybe is it real? It's a plant. Trying to open it. So it's a plant, but I don't know if I have to water it. It's pretty, so I have to find out if it's a real plant. And we got more. Wow, this is totally worth it. I love these kind of boxes because it's not just all makeup, and it's stuff that you can actually use. Got my scissors here. So how is your day going? Got any vacation plans? Anybody coming up this way to Washington? I'm in Eastern Washington, but I'm only going to be here until the end of the month, and then we're going for like 3 or 4 weeks to Sturgis, so we're going to be out that way. So this is Nature Spirit shampoo, 100% natural coconut oil, and then we have Florida's Glow, so hard to read these, pineapple, I'm not sure what you do with that, and then we got the conditioner, perfect for traveling, this spray lotion, so this must be for your body. Then we have something pink. Sorry, Sue, because this looks like you put on, so when you do the mask, you have these cute little bunny ears. So I'm definitely going to need this here because I don't think I have one here. So how cute is that for our little spa box? And then we have a card, Rose and Lime, and this is so you can purchase things from Pink Box Delivery. And then there's something else in here. Wow. Oh, it looks like got a little clipboard on it. Those summer days. So you hang it, and then you can clip things on there, like your memos. And how cute is this? And it has pineapples. This is so cute. This is a great box. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything. I'm just loving this box. So I'm just going to recap everything that was in this box. We have the fast drying spa bath hand towel and towel, the red wine face mask, we got 2, the Nature Spirit shampoo conditioner, and it says the scent will sweep you away, the Hask tea tree oil hair mask, a succulent plant that I was trying to open to create a spa-like atmosphere, a soft spa headband, great to use with your face mask, Maui Soap Company Luffa soap in Lilyco. So Noelle, you're going to have to help me with that. Sea salt and kukui, a summer vibes frame for pictures or reminders, Florida Glow moisturizing body spray for all over, leaving your skin with a healthy, non-greasy glow, and the surprises, a scalp massager and editor's choice piece of jewelry. So need refills or want to share the love with someone else, just shoot us a note. So this was an awesome box, and if you receive anything damaged, you just email them, they send you something else. So loving this, and let me know what you think, leave me comments. And I'm telling you, this is one box I'm not going to cancel. Again, they let you know what's coming in advance. If you don't like it, you can skip that month and continue on. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys, and see you next time.